Hello viewers, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 examples of an 8-line birthday poem which is tailored toward 3 different age groups: a young child, a teenager, and an adult. I use a common theme in each poem but explore variations on that theme. I'm keeping the last 2 lines the same for all 3 examples. Now let's write out the example for a young child. So now we have established a structure. The speaker is a parent and the theme is about anticipation, family, friends, and fun. Now let's switch it up and write the example for a teenager. I'll keep line 1 in place because it's applicable to both examples. So this example has a similar theme but with a different context. Now let's look at our last example for an adult. I'll keep line 4 in place because I reuse the parade theme. So there it is. I hope this video has given you some inspiration to write your own birthday poems. If you would like to see more poetry writing tutorials, please subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.